Ever stared at your phone, wondering if that app you rely on for budgeting, for saving, for just keeping your financial sanity intact, is actually up to date? Like, truly up to date? We're talking about Rocket Money today, and the burning question, can you actually update it? Or are you stuck with whatever version you downloaded way back when? Think about it. We're all constantly bombarded with app updates. Social media apps, games, even the operating system itself. They're all evolving, changing, hopefully improving. But what about the apps that manage the very core of our lives, our finances? Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, is a powerhouse in the world of personal finance management. It promises to help you track spending, cancel unwanted subscriptions, negotiate bills, and even build savings. But what happens when you suspect it's not performing at its peak? What if you're missing out on new features, bug fixes, or even crucial security updates? You're not alone in wondering this. It's a question that pops up in forums, in app reviews, and in the minds of countless users. Because let's face it, your money is important. You want to know that the tools you use to manage it are reliable and current. Before we dive into the technical details of updating Rocket Money, let's take a moment to understand why updates are so vital. Apps aren't static. They're constantly being refined and improved. Developers are always working to fix bugs, enhance performance, and add new features based on user feedback and technological advancements. Think of it like this: imagine you're driving a car. Would you want to drive a car that hasn't been serviced in years, with outdated parts and potentially dangerous flaws? Of course not. You'd want a car that's regularly maintained, with up-to-date technology and safety features. The same principle applies to apps like Rocket Money. Security is another crucial aspect. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, and app developers need to stay one step ahead to protect your data. Updates often include security patches that address vulnerabilities and protect your sensitive information from hackers. When it comes to your financial data, security is paramount. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually update Rocket Money? The process is generally straightforward, but there are a few things you need to know. First, let's talk about the most common method: automatic updates. Most smartphones are configured to automatically update apps when a new version is available. This is usually the default setting, but it's always a good idea to double-check. On an iPhone, you can check your automatic update settings by going to Settings, then App Store. Here, you'll find a toggle switch for app updates. Make sure it's turned on. You can also choose whether you want automatic updates to occur over cellular data or only over Wi-Fi. On an Android device, the process is similar. Open the Google Play Store app, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, and select Settings. Then, tap Network Preferences and Auto Update Apps. You can choose to auto-update over any network, over Wi-Fi only, or not at all. If you prefer to update apps manually, you can do so through the App Store or Google Play Store. Simply search for Rocket Money, and if an update is available, you'll see an Update button. Tap it, and the app will begin downloading and installing the latest version. But what if you don't see an update available? There are a few possible reasons for this. First, the update might not have been released in your region yet. App updates are often rolled out gradually to different regions. Second, the update might be compatible with a newer version of your operating system. If your phone's operating system is outdated, you might not be able to install the latest version of Rocket Money. Third, there might be a temporary issue with the App Store or Google Play Store. In this case, try again later. Now, let's address some common concerns that users have about updating Rocket Money. Some users worry that updating the app will erase their data or settings. This is generally not the case. App updates are designed to preserve your data and settings. However, it's always a good idea to back up your data before updating any app, just in case. Another concern is that updates will introduce new bugs or issues. While it's true that updates can sometimes introduce new problems, developers typically release bug fixes quickly. And remember, not updating leaves you vulnerable to existing issues and security risks. It's also important to consider the benefits of keeping Rocket Money updated. Updates often include new features that can enhance your financial management experience. For example, Rocket Money might introduce new tools for tracking investments, analyzing spending patterns, or negotiating bills. Furthermore, updates can improve the app's performance, making it faster and more responsive. They can also address compatibility issues with newer devices and operating systems. Let's talk about some specific features that Rocket Money updates might bring. For example, imagine an update that enhances the bill negotiation feature, allowing you to negotiate even more types of bills. Or perhaps an update that provides more detailed insights into your spending habits, helping you identify areas where you can save money. Another potential update could involve improved security features, such as two-factor authentication or biometric login. These features can add an extra layer of protection to your financial data. Beyond the technical aspects of updating Rocket Money, it's also important to consider the broader context of financial management. Apps like Rocket Money are powerful tools, but they're not a substitute for sound financial habits. It's crucial to use these tools responsibly and to develop a comprehensive financial plan that includes budgeting, saving, and investing. Rocket Money can help you track your progress and make informed decisions, but ultimately, it's up to you to take control of your finances. In addition to updating the app, you should also consider updating your financial knowledge. Stay informed about the latest trends and developments in personal finance. Read books, articles, and blogs, and consider taking online courses or attending workshops. By combining the power of apps like Rocket Money with a solid foundation of financial knowledge, you can achieve your financial goals and build a secure future. It's also worth noting that Rocket Money offers customer support to help you with any questions or issues you may encounter. If you're having trouble updating the app or if you have any other concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team. They can provide guidance and assistance, ensuring that you're able to use Rocket Money effectively. In conclusion, yes, you can and should update Rocket Money. Keeping your app up to date is essential for security, performance, and access to the latest features. It's a simple process that can make a significant difference in your financial management experience. By staying informed and taking proactive steps to manage your finances, you can achieve your financial goals and build a brighter future. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.